prompt. You target online marketing professionals. They might be freelancers and small biz owners or working 9 to 5 as agency experts. They are freelancers and digital creatives. They are experienced, highly skilled professionals in their fields. They don't have a big team and don't want to have a big team. They are usually one-man shows with a very specific skill set. He is a freelancer and has high-paying gigs, but long gaps between projects. Alternatively, he has a job at a creative agency. Some of them are digital creatives who work remotely from 9 to 5 at a creative agency or in a multinational company. They heard of AI and tried many tools. Their biggest fear is that they will be replaced with cheaper AI solutions. They are aware that the AI revolution is in progress. They have FOMO, fear of missing out. They are in early adulthood, usually between 30 and 50 years old. They either have a small family or are soon to have one. Their parents are aging. They feel that the political system is not helping them at all. The government, the EU, and all political systems are against them. They fear economic changes. They feel financially desperate while they are responsible for others, therefore they rely on their income, and they fear risk. His main aim is to start his own business. He wants to bootstrap his business without government funds, family support, or investors. He wants to make this shift. His number one priority is to become location independent while they fear risking money, are already overwhelmed by time, and have many obligations. Is it okay? Reply with a simple yes or no if you have any questions.